Hey, how are you? This is Chris Kurzna, not a typical flipper. I'm here with Anthony. He's starting to become a little famous, and I wanted to basically reinforce what we're doing. Again, my style of flipping house is very different. I make sure that every detail, including the humane side of things, is attended to. And one of the things that Anthony, we were talking about just now, is people are actually really worried about you. They want to make sure you're going to be okay.
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
Good. So what I was telling everybody is not only did we finish that transaction and give you cash for keys, you're able to get on your feet.
That's right.
And you're working for me on the next flip.
That's right. I was working with a handyman for a while, about 2 months before we finished our job, and you met him at my house when we did the fire.
Lou Lozano, yeah.
Yep, and I've been working with him, and you hired him for the next flip, and things have been going good.
Right. And so you guys know, is one of the reasons I actually hired you is not only is Lou local and you're local, but I actually wanted to make sure that you had continuation. So the last couple of weeks you've been working, been making money, getting on your feet.
Absolutely.
Doing a little better.
Absolutely.
Cool, man. How do you feel about the way I flip houses compared to other people you've done flips for?
Amazing attention to detail. Amazing. You really put your heart into it. I've never seen that before.
Awesome.
Most people are there just to make a buck. You're there to help people also. And I really did appreciate it because there was a lot of headaches with our job.
Yeah.
Finishing up with our house, the family, the bank, the tax lien, everything like that was just a tremendous headache for all of us involved.
Yeah.
You can compare Chris to John, our last flip.
Oh God, the guy was in over his head. He wasn't prepared, and he was just there to make a buck. And he didn't realize what was going on.
Was not organized.
Was not organized. I mean, from day one, we've had whatever materials we needed here on the job. Anything we've needed has been given to us.
Perfect.
No questions. Everything's been great.
So basically, the $2,000 cash in hand, taking care of you the right way.
Got me into a place with the dogs, so me and the dogs have a place to live.
Giving you another job, another opportunity.
That's right.
And Lou, the camera guy, who just helped us out with that.
I'm
little tidbit.
here.
He's behind the camera. Anthony, thank you so much.
Thank you, Chris.
Great job.
Thank you.